Hello everyone, welcome to my StudyTech YouTube channel. Today I am going to demonstrate how to install HTS library in your Linux system. So for that you have to go to Google and type HTSlib download and enter. So go to this link, open it. So here you can just download this one. Let's open it. Let's extract this. Okay, done. Okay, so to install it, first go to here. You have to configure with this command. Let's copy it and I'm making a note for command. Okay, to make a directory to install HTSlib install. So it will be the installation directory. Just open it and pwd to check the path. Copy this path and I am just replacing this path to here. So copy the total script, go to this location, open terminal, let's run it and enter. So the next command is make so it is done. So the next command is make install. Enter. So it is done. Let's check it. So go to the bin and open a terminal here. Let's check it. So it is the HTS file. Let's check and enter. So it is working. Let's check in system wide and terminal HTS. So it is not working. To run it throughout the system, you have to export the path. So just copy it and I'm going to paste here. Okay, go to the installer directory. There is a bin and check the path pwd. So copy this bin path and paste here. Okay, just so it is a command. Just copy this path and go to the home. Make sure that you enable the show the hidden file. Go to this bashrc, enter a new line and paste this command and save it. Saving is done and close it. So open a new terminal and again type HTS tab and enter. So now it is accessible from throughout the system. So it is the whole tutorial to install the HTSlib in your Linux system. I am making this type of tutorial video in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and like and comment if you have any query. Thank you for watching.